A portable speaker spending more than 40 hours away from a charger used to sound unrealistic, yet that's exactly the promise behind Marshall's newest audio release. Marshall has officially unveiled the Stockwell III, the first major update to its Stockwell speaker lineup since 2019. And while the iconic guitar amp-inspired design remains instantly recognizable, the biggest story is happening inside the speaker itself. The headline feature is battery life. Marshall says the Stockwell III can deliver over 40 hours of wireless playback on a single charge. That's double the endurance of the previous generation and puts it among the longest-lasting portable Bluetooth speakers currently available. But longer battery life isn't the only upgrade. Marshall has also enhanced the audio system with its True Stereophonic technology, designed to spread sound in every direction rather than focusing on a single listening position. The company has also included dynamic loudness, which automatically adjusts bass, mids, and treble to maintain balanced sound whether you're listening quietly or turning the volume all the way up. Visually, Marshall hasn't abandoned the formula that made the series popular. The Stockwell III keeps its vertical profile, metal grille, brass-style controls, and signature guitar-inspired carrying strap. However, the control panel has been redesigned for faster access to presets and easier media navigation. The speaker is also built to handle outdoor use more effectively. An upgraded IP55 rating offers improved protection against dust and water, while the USB-C port can double as a power bank for charging a smartphone when you're away from an outlet. Perhaps the most interesting change is Marshall's focus on longevity. The battery, carrying strap, silicone sleeve, and even the front and rear grills can be replaced individually. That's a rare feature in the portable speaker market and could significantly extend the product's usable lifespan. With stronger durability, improved sound, repairable components, and battery life that lasts twice as long as before, the Stockwell III looks like Marshall's most practical portable speaker yet. The Marshall Stockwell III is scheduled to arrive on August 18th, available in both black and brass and cream finishes. If battery life is one of the first things you check before buying a portable speaker, this may be a release worth paying attention to.